Today we will be doing an advanced testing of the active frame indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be doing an advanced testing of the active frame indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 60 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 781 indicators, with 316 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 20 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the active frame indicator. You can see the indicator here on screen. This indicator was one of the 100% winners when we tested it the first time, but it only had one trade. And so obviously we needed to put it through a little bit more testing to see if it would be able to maintain at least the winning status. Obviously, we knew that it was eventually going to take a winner or a losing trade, and so I do not foresee any particular indicator being able to maintain a 100% accuracy over an extended period of time. And so the way we tested this indicator the first time was we looked for the shift, this color shift that we see here. And so you can kind of see the zones that appear here on screen. This one being the red one, this one being the green one. And you can see how it shifts right here, going from a green one into a red one. And that is the way we took signals when we tested it the first time. So when it switched to this red color here, we then went short, and when it switched to a green color like here, then we would go long. And so now because this was in the original testing only able to achieve one signal within the 1 year's time, again we were able to, or had to, bump this down to a lower time frame. And so we knocked this down to a 1 hour time frame, and we adjusted the stop and the take profit according. We cut that down into a fourth of the original stop and take profit to adjust for the lower time frame. And so, as I said, the way we tested it was just the switch in the coloration of these kind of channels here. And that's how I tested it in this particular case. You can see, for example, right here is a short signal. So we get that green box, that green coloration channel here, and then it switches to a red one right here. And you can see that we get a really nice push to the downside right there, which would have come down and got us to our take profit in that case. So let's move forward just a little bit here. You can see that now this red channel here switches to a green channel there on that candle, and you can see that we got a really nice push to the upside there, which would have come up and got us to our take profit as well. And so that is how we tested it again in the advanced testing. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and go through the fast forward version of the 50 trade test, and we'll pick it up on the other side to see what it was able to achieve over the advanced testing. All right, so before we take a look at the final numbers here, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It's free to join. Anybody can join and hang out and join in any of the discussions in most of the channels here. We do have a Patreon only channel here that is set up just for our patrons to take advantage of. And we are posting some advanced information in there for the patrons to take advantage of. For example, our admin Jay is doing a great job trading the futures market and is putting up charts like this, where he has marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and kind of general analysis of the market. A lot of great stuff our admin's putting out there. And this is Sasquatch here. He is an awesome Forex prop trader. He is also putting up charts like this of the Forex market pretty much every single day, where he is marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even where he is looking to take some trades. And you can see that he is marked out here where he is looking to enter into this trade. He has the entry, the stop, the take profit, everything that you need to know to understand how this trade could play out. And so even if you're not necessarily looking to trade price action, support and resistance, stuff like that, then understanding how to mark up a chart with the areas of support and resistance, the channels and the highs and lows will really help you to understand how those areas are going to play or interact with whatever trading system that it is that you're looking to use. And so it's very beneficial to understand at least how to mark up a chart, so that way you can mark up the chart accordingly and take advantage of that support and resistance or not. And so, like I said, a lot of great stuff here. Highly recommend that you join us and take advantage of that information. All right, so back to our indicator here. Let's see. So we did 50 trades altogether. Out of those 50 trades, we got 34 winning trades. That puts us at a 68% win rate. And so that is obviously going to keep this indicator on the winning list. And all in all, a reasonably solid indicator. Keep in mind that this was tested on the 1 hour time frame, and so it will give you quite a few trades in a generally short period of time, rather than some of the other indicators that may take days or even weeks to give you a signal. This particular indicator was able to maintain a reasonable win rate on a really low time frame, which is something that most indicators not able to achieve. All in all, like I said, pretty solid. I really like this indicator. Gives you some really good information, and beyond just the switch in the channels, you can see that it does a really good job of kind of creating these areas of support and resistance that often you'll see price action come into and bounce off of. And so you can use them as a continuation indicator as well as a general trend indicator. So all right, that's it for this one. Like I said, it's going to stay on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator, next video from here.